Hello, this is Neri Omar and I just finished for you this lovely makeup look. If you are curious to know what I have done, it's Chanel, the new fall collection. This is number 2 video I did. Number 1, I will put the link down below. So please subscribe and push the notification button so you will be notified when I have a new one, and keep watching. The makeup tutorial will start. My face, my eyes, my lips, and I will tell you about it by the end. So please subscribe and keep watching. This is my second video about all the Chanel Le Boutons eyeshadow palettes. Okay, and I just finished for you a Boutons Couture. This one turned out very nice smoky eye look. This is the 3. I think I will use this one. It's gorgeous too. Called Stellaire. I'm thinking to add these 2 cream eyeshadows. It's extra step. You know me, if you're watching me by now, you know that I'm extra in everything, but you don't need to use this at all because this is limited edition long time ago. If I can find it for you in Poshmark, I will apply them under the palette, cheating a little bit after the primer here. Maestro and Patine Bones. This is Maestro and this is Patine Bones. They are different texture, by the way. I always have no idea what I'm going to do in my eyes. I will look at the palette and the epiphany came on the spot. So something in my mind and I will try to make it happen. Nurse flat cream eyeshadow, Maestro. Okay, and I will apply it here in the inner corner till 3/4, yeah, till the crease. Look. Will flip the brush and I will take Patine Bones outer corner. Okay, little bit here, not till this the outer corner only. Okay, again, don't forget to angle your brush. Okay guys, I will clean up after. I start to make it little bit shape. See, the epiphany come when I play with the colors. Yeah. Eyeshadow flat brush, this one. I'll take the light blue on the top of my cream eyeshadow. Okay, till the crease. This is lovely. The pigmentation is there. Yesterday I used the Couture one and today Stellaire. The pigmentation is definitely there. I'll take this gorgeous one here, add it on the Patine Bones. pigmentation, guys. Light-handed. Light-handed, guys. Light-handed. I'm trying to add the shade, this shade on the Patine bronze that I put it before. Nothing sophisticated. Okay. Without anything. Just blend here. Take this one again. Okay. Inner corner to outer corner. And connect it. So still using this one. So now I use this two on. I'm using the same, this one. Maybe any harsh line here, see? Just not adding anything with the leftover in the brush. Gorgeous star here, this one. In the middle. Merging together gorgeously. I'll take the blue again. The fluffy brush without anything. Just pick here two eyeliner. CK, and this is Charm, guys. Which one? The darkest. CK here. Yeah. Cacao from Tom Ford. Used to have espresso from Chanel. It has been a while I didn't buy any Chanel eyeliner. The only one I keep buying, the 88. Yeah, well, smudge it. To cover all the gaps. Today I will use the Beige. It's very nice, very, very nice. And the Correcteur. It's all routine. I don't want to get you bored with that. But let me finish that behind the camera, and down. Guys, I am loving this look. I applied my mascara too. So let's finish the eyes first. I will take the last shade. I didn't use it at all, which is called one Dior eyeshadow brush. Start from the core here. sun. And I love it. I'm so happy with this second eyeshadow palette. And now face. Chanel bronzer. Do you remember this one? A few years ago. Marc Jacobs brush. Humongous one. I love this bronzer too. It's very good. Blush, $7.98, beige, rosé et mauve. Chanel powder brush. Smile. Smile. This one. The for highlighter. Chanel Diamond Dust. Yeah. See that, guys? A little bit on my lips. Yeah. Wow, I love it, guys. Lipstick. Let me go grab it and come back to you. I grabbed Rouge Coco Bloom 118 Radiant. Voila, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. You loved my video. I will put the other video link down below for you, and I will put all the products I used links down below for you. It will be easy for you. Click and shop. And now it's time to recap. Let's start with primers like I always do. Chanel Le Beige, Icy Beige, and fluid highlighting in Pearly Glow. Chanel Eye Concealer, I use it as eye primer. Numéro 1 de Chanel, I will write down for you the number and the name. I think this is very boost, I think. For my lips, Chanel Eyelash Curler, Chanel Cream Eyeshadow, Maestro and Patine Bronze. Okay, Maestro and Patine Bronze. I will try to find it for you. Foundation Le Beige, Le Correcteur Eye Concealer. Eyebrows, SISLEY Paris Sourcils Fix in number 1. Le Volume de Chanel Mascara. Chanel Poudre Universal Loose Powder. Bronzer Le Beige. This one. Blush Beige Rosé et Mauve. This was fall collection 2 years ago or something. Highlighter Diamond Dust. Everywhere. Eyeshadow palette, guys. The Boutons Stellaire. Lipstick, Rouge Coco Bloom 118 Radiant. I love the shade anyway, the color is so beautiful. CK 959 for my lower waterline. Tom Ford Cocoa in the upper. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I still have 2 palettes. Click the notification button so you will be notified when I have a new video. And take care. I will see you next time. Bye. Bye guys.